Hello. So, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look into how we can use Google Forms to take quizzes. So, so in this Google form, we have a form which is untitled form. Basically, you log in, search Google form, then you go to a form and go to Google form, then you just open a form. So in my case, I'm opening a blank form, and here's the title for a form. So for example, if we take a quiz exam and we call it a quiz one, so we just type in quiz one, and description: this is a test quiz and for tutorial. Now, there's a bunch of different options in the Google form, but one thing that you find it useful from here, it is the setting. If you click on the setting, it will give you a bunch of options like collect emails, because whoever is performing the quiz or answering the quiz have to give their emails. If you check this box, then require sign in, then limit to one response. For example, if someone gets a response and he want to do another submission of the quiz, so you need to prevent it from the single email. So how you do it, you limit it to one response. So I will limit it to one response, then I will click on this quiz tab and click on make sure it's make it a quiz, and there's two options that you can do. One is immediately after submission to show the grades, and another is you can show the grade later. So here's I will be doing it manually. So after manual review, I turn on email collection so that I can send back the emails that they have done quiz or whatever the marks they have obtained from the quiz. So we just hit save, then here's the email. So if someone is going to answer this, they will have to sign in for the quiz. So let's make a question. This is a question one, and it has a bunch of options, like add another option. Then in the answer key here, if we click it, there will be a point button. So point input, so here we can add the point. For example, this question has 5 points and it has answers, so I will click the right correct answer over here. So this is the correct answer for the quiz. Now if we want another question, then we'll just add click another, and probably this could be a true false question, so we'll use a checkbox. Then we'll have a question 2, and we'll have a bunch of options, option 2, option 3. So for example, it could have multiple true sentences in it, so we can choose 2 multiple options for the single question, and here I can have 2 points for this question maybe. So, and there's another thing, that is every question has a required. For example, we want to have some bonus questions, so this is a required question and this could be a bonus question for people to answer or for your students to answer. So once you are done making these quiz questions, it is really simple to send and roll out these quizzes. So for example, you just hit send and it will give you a link. So if you click the shorten link, it will provide you a short link for Google form. And if I click copy and go to another window like incognito mode, I can show the form, see the form. So what okay, so let's try it again. Yeah, here it is. So as I get to the form, it shows me to sign in, because I have to sign in, because and without signing in I cannot perform the quiz. So this is a very really easy method to do so. So I will be showing you how you can answer in the quiz. For example, let's just do it from here. I don't think that, okay, yeah, the for example, my email is gmail.com. I got a sign in required, and maybe it was question 2 and 2 and 3 to hit submit. So let's see, your response has been recorded. So if a student performs a quiz, he will have this message. And on the here I can see that my responses, so I got it. And here I can see how many marks they have obtained in this quiz. So 7 points. And individual marks, I can see individual answers for people, so there will be more people, and I can see their emails. So whenever I click release scores, then they will get the notification for the score. And this has been a quick little tutorial. And one another thing, that is, if we click on this spreadsheet icon, it will show you the create a spreadsheet for annotated form. If you click, you will see when the quiz was being taken, and what is the email address, and how the scores they have gotten, and what questions and whatnot. For example, option 2 and 3. So the correct answers were, or the wrong answers were. So this is about it. You can make great quizzes on Google Forms, and this could help a lot of people, I guess. And hope you like it, and I will be catching you guys on the next one. Bye bye, stay home, stay safe.